Do you struggle to use daily spreads, but you really need one to keep you organized in your life? Well, I have some ideas to not only keep you organized, but make your daily spread look pretty in your planner, so stay tuned. Okay, let's jump right in. So I'm going to take this out of here just so that it's easier for me to work with. And I'm going to, if you're squeamish, look away. I'm going to break the spine kind of so that it lays flat. Because when you put a cover on, sometimes it doesn't lay flat, but if you do it so that it lays flat, then it doesn't close properly. So it's half a dozen of one, 6 of another. You choose whether you want it to lay flat or look cute in your planner. I kind of like it to look cute in the planner. Whatever. No big deal. Okay, that was an aside. Let's get started. The way I see using daily schedules, there's 2 main ways that you can use them. One, you use a daily schedule every day, so you need to do one of these every day. So you're going to go through a book like this really fast. Or if you're like me, on a day that's busier, when you have a lot of appointments or things going on, what I will do is I will take the center out of one of my books and I will gently pull so it's not to rip the paper or to lift up the staples. I will take one of these out, and then I will cut it in half. I tried ripping. Don't rip them. They don't rip very straight. It's better to cut. And then I have 2 that I can use, and I'll just put that one back for when I need it. And then I'll take my everyday planner and I will washi this in here. So that not only gives me an extra day's worth of schedule, but an extra day's worth of notes as well. For those types of pages, you can really go all out and decorate because you're just doing it once in a while. So we're going to do both, but we're going to do the everyday one first. If you are scheduling out your day every single day, that's going to get time consuming if you are going to decorate it every day. So I'm going to show you some quick and dirty, super simple ways for you to decorate your daily spread so that you can get it done fast, but your planner also looks good every day. We're going to concentrate mostly on using washi because 1, it's fast, and 2, it brightens up a page immediately. Okay, so, and this is the Carpe Diem one. You have a line here and you have a line here. So if you have whatever daily system you're using, more than likely you will have lines somewhere. So I'm going to use some washi there on both of those. I've actually cut those better, but I'm being lazy and using my thumbnail. You can also add washi down the outside of the page, which would be good because then you can fold it over to the next one. So let's pick a matching one. This one's going to be sunny and happy. You can make it even, or one side is thicker than the other. I just did this side a little bit thinner because that's just how I laid the washi down. I'm going to use my corner rounder for that. So already you can see that the page is really starting to look fun and sunny and happy. Next up is stickers, and we're going to go really minimal on the stickers because we're short on time, so we're going to go fast. So I found this floral. I'm going to put it at the cross of this washi. You can put it wherever you want, somewhere where you know it's not going to get in your way. Maybe if at lunchtime, for example, you don't have a lot going on, you're just going to write lunch and it goes to here. You can put a sticker here because you know that's where you're going to have room. But wherever you have room, that's where you're going to put your stickers. And then we're just going to add 2 more really minimal, cutesy matching stickers. So let's do this arrow one here, and then let's say it's Friday, so we're going to put Friday. And there you go. Like, it can be as simple as that. It's quick as that. If you have a little more time, of course, you can add a few stickers around and make clusters. But if you're doing this every day, you don't want to have to spend a lot of time making it perfect. Have some sort of template or design that you repeat every day. So tomorrow, you're going to have a thin washi here, a thin washi here, a thick washi here, and you've got this one already, and then 3 stickers wherever, and then you're done. Boom. So if you have something that you repeat every day, it's going to make it easier and a lot more fun for you. Okay, so let's get into this individual one. I'm going to go on the same basic principle that I did with the other one, but then we're just going to add more things. And I think I'm only going to do the front. Got the washi on. Now we want one main photo. One main sticker. So let's stick with another floral. And I might just fold that over. Second I'll keep on the other side. Yeah. And then I might put some stickers close to that. Okay. This time I think I'm going to put the washi along the bottom. Because if I have all these notes on this side, I'm probably not going to have need for more on the bottom. Now you don't want to mess with the times, but for me, I get up a little bit earlier than this, and usually once 6 o'clock happens, it's just kid stuff. So you can change these with number stickers. Now, if you're decorating one of these every day, it probably isn't a good idea to change them every day. But if you need to change them every day, you may want to print off little strips of sticker paper with the new times, and then you can just print off a whole sheet of them, cut them out, stick them all in at once, and you're good to go. But for this exceptional extra day, I'm going to change the numbers. Okay, already we're starting to see some color and it's looking pretty cute. We can put something else on notes and schedule. Planner Basics sticker tablet from Carpe Diem has lots of fun things that you can put here. And now, so we don't take up too much more room when we need to write, I'm going to simply make clusters around this sticker and up at the top where I'm not going to write so much stuff. Wherever you know that you'll have space, that's where you can decorate, that's where you can concentrate on decorating. If you know that you're going to fill the whole thing, then don't decorate too much. Okay, there you have it. Now to put it into the planner. You could put washi on both sides, but I'm just going to put it on the one side because I find that it holds it in relatively well, and that way I'm not going to cover this up. What you could do is put the washi down first on this side and then put the numbers and then do your decorating. Because if you put washi on this side, whatever you do, you're going to cover up the numbers. So if you're going to put washi in the front, make sure you're going to do something with the numbers. Unless you have a washi that's really transparent and you're going to be able to see the numbers through the washi. Okay, so let's taper in. Let's just use this one again so it'll match. So what I like to do is to put the washi onto the page first. Make sure it's stuck down really well on that side, and that way I can maneuver it better to get it into where I want it. And I will bend back this half of the washi so it doesn't get in my way, and then I'm going to put it as close into the seam of the book as I can, and then I'm going to put the washi down. This is just because I'm a recovering perfectionist and I want it to be in as close to the center as I can. And then I'm going to snip off the ends. And we're good to go for our busy day. Before I show you the finished products, I just want to make sure that if you're watching this the day that it goes live, which is Monday the 17th of June, I have an event on Saturday in Edinburgh, and today is the very last day to sign up. So check that first link in the description box and hopefully I will see you there. Okay, so here are the two daily spreads. The simple one you're going to do every day and a more elaborate one for the occasional daily spread. I am currently waiting on my Carpe Diem box. If it gets here soon, Friday's video will be a review of what's inside my box or some of the things. I know there's new Carpe Diem stickers coming out, there's new planners. I'm so excited to show you the planners. I'm going to review the planners. I'm also going to show you how to set up in some of these planners because they're a little bit different, but I'll let you wait and see what they are. I won't spoil the surprise. So something fun will be coming on Friday, whether that's Carpe Diem stuff already or not, I can't tell you right now, but I'm pretty sure that it will be. Otherwise, I do have a really fun goal setting video coming for you, so that'll either be Monday or Friday. The best way to make sure that you're gonna get these videos in your feed is to not only subscribe to me on YouTube, but click the little notification bell, because sometimes YouTube doesn't always give you every single video from everyone you subscribe to into your feed. While you're waiting for my new video about the Carpe Diem goodies, I'm going to send you to this video where you can watch some of the older Carpe Diem stuff in use and have fun making your planner pretty. Otherwise, there are two videos here that you can watch. Don't forget to click on my little face here to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Have a fantastic day and happy planning. Okay, but